is up, guys? So we got the CFORCE 500 back out today. The great thing about living in the country, there's a lot of back roads. Today we're going to take the CFORCE, as I mentioned in one of the earlier videos, we're going to take it up the road to this gravel road that we got down here. There's not too many of them left in the world, but we're about to hit this thing and rip it on this CFORCE. So if y'all know me and watched the channel before I got this thing, y'all know that it is killing me not to go ahead and do some upgrades to this thing. So I might do one or two more videos stock, but then after that we got to start adding some accessories. So we'll add some performance parts and accessories to this thing to see how much better we can make it than it already is. So let's go ride. All right, let's go. Alright, so we're gonna head up to this dirt road. It's right by my house. I love riding down this thing. It's fun to get on the dirt road and slide around. You know, you can do a little bit of drifting. So let's go have some fun. Guys, so we made it down to the gravel road. So let me know if y'all have any gravel roads around where y'all live. I know y'all city folks might not know anything about this kind of stuff, but it's a pretty cool place to bring your four-wheeler and get some awesome riding in. So we're about to take the CFORCE, rip it down this gravel road. I think it's going to be a good time. All right, let's rip this thing. Donut and low, see how it feels better. That is fun. So I see a lot of questions on the CF Moto pages, and people are asking, you know, should I ride in low or high? So pretty much what I was doing just then was had it in high for the gravel roads as I was going in high speed. And then I stopped and did that little donut back there in high speed. But then I swapped it to low and it had a lot more torque. So it was kind of bogging down in high. So it's better when you're going low speed to just swap to low real quick and swap back to high when you're going higher speeds. There's no real set number on when you need to switch them, but just kind of do your best judgment. Alright guys, so if y'all like what y'all see in this video, y'all like the CF Moto, you can go over to Main Street Cycle and buy you one, or you can go to mainstreetcycle.com and get any parts and accessories, and I mean it, anything you can think of, they got it for the CF Moto. Shipping time, it's usually super fast, so go to mainstreetcycle.com, get you some parts for this thing if you already have one, and if you don't, remember, go to Main Street Cycle, they'll hook you up. Alright, so ripping down that gravel road was a blast, like always. It is super hot. Let's see if we can't hit this little jump right here. We'll test it out first. See how it feels. That wasn't bad. It was definitely a smooth landing. It's not like we're jumping this thing massive or nothing, but it's something to play around on. We can't rock out a little wheelie real quick. I honestly don't even believe I've tried to do one yet. I know I'm gonna have to stand up on the back because I don't think I can get it to come up without standing up on the back. I can't sit on the seat and get it to come up, so. Not too bad. Feels a little different. I have to get used to it. We'll try not to drag the back rack while it's brand new. Alright guys, so it looks like it's about to rain, so we're about to head back to the house. We better get out of here. See if we can't pass this Polaris Razor. Guys, so we made it back. CFORCE did great. Super fun to play on that gravel road. It's not as loose as it usually is, so we couldn't slide it around the curves and stuff, but still is a fun little place to ride. But the weather is it's not looking too good, and it's not looking good for the rest of the week, so we might have to start early on doing some upgrades to this thing. I think this thing is going to be sweet with some new accessories, so y'all stay tuned to that. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see y'all guys on the next video.